guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a long time since I've done videos. There's like a lot going on right now in my life, but I am very active on my social media, my Instagram at Lismania Beauty. Feel free to follow me and check out all the new content I have on a daily basis. And without further ado, today's video, I'm very excited because I'm going to be unboxing my IPSY PR box, and I got a huge box, as you can see right here. So it's like full of goodies, and I'm excited to share with you guys what I received and kind of like a spoiler for November's bag. So, if you guys don't know what IPSY is a beauty subscription box that has various memberships. The regular one, which is IPSY GLAM bag, is $12 a month, and it includes 5 sample deluxe size products. And the IPSY GLAM bag plus is $25 a month, and it includes 5 full-size items. And then you have many perks like add-on stores where you get to buy things at a really discounted price, like beauty products, hair care, nail care, skincare, makeup, etc. All the good stuff. And also, they always have like different discounts and deals throughout like the week. So that's pretty cool. So check it out. And they have an app, which is IPSY app, where it's, you can log in and create your app and your profile if you want to sign up. And based on that, they send you the bags every month. Okay, so let's just get started and show you guys what I received. So this is everything I got right here. So the first thing, I have the theme of the month, which is Be Present, IPSY Be Present. And that's the theme for November 2020. And it says the hashtag blessed. This month, take a moment to notice the beauty that surrounds you. When you focus on the little things, you'll find you're rich in reasons to be thankful. So this is very nice because here in the US on November is Thanksgiving Day holiday, which is to be thankful for everything you have. So they do like a dinner and stuff, if you guys are not familiar, for those of you who are not from the US. And then here's just some information they just sent me to share my bag and all that stuff. So, okay, so the first thing they sent me is the IPSY GLAM bag. So this is the bag for the $12 a month. And this is for this theme, which is really, really nice. The colors, I love it. I love this dark blue, navy blue, which is what I have on my nails on. This brown and beige, and it's like a leather bag. It's really, really cute. I like it. And then there's like a pink, peachy tone, and then in the inside it's the same thing. So I'm going to be taking out the stuff and then show you guys what I got. So the first thing I see here is from Tatcha, and this is the Deep Cleanse. So I believe this is a cleanser. I hope you guys can see everything there. I'm not sure because of the light. But this is the Clarifying Japanese Loofah Fruit Extract for normal to oily skin. And it says direction, apply to wet face, avoiding irons and rinse. And then, okay, so, okay, so everything is sealed. I'm not going to open it because I'm going to be sharing everything on my Instagram as well. Some of the stuff I'm going to be trying on camera. Like I'm going to do a little video tutorial so you guys can check that out on my Instagram. I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, okay. So this is pretty cute. I love Tatcha. I've actually tried their moisturizer, I believe it, and it's really, really nice and very luxurious. The next thing I have right here is from Glow Recipe, and it's their Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, Calming and Hydrating. So it's another skincare. Glow Recipe, it's really, really nice. They actually, all of the things they do is based on like fruits. So that's really cute. I'm excited to try this out. Next thing I have right here, Anastasia Beverly Hills. Wow, that's pretty cool. This is a lip gloss, and it's in the shade Moon Jelly. Okay, let me open it up. Okay, so it's like a clear lip gloss. So this is perfect to put on top of, let's say, this lipstick I have on, which is a matte. I just put this and I get a little glossy in my lips. So that's cute and very nice to get. I believe this is like a full size. Sometimes you do get like full size, like one full size item in your IPSY GLAM bag. Next thing I got here is from the brand Tarte. It's their Sugar Rush. This from Tarte. I love Tarte, and this is their Lip Sip Vegan Lip Oil. So this is what I got. Let me see what it says. It's the shade is Fresh Pressed. Okay, the packaging is really cute. Ooh, oh my gosh, there's like a rubber thingy here. So that's really, really nice. The packaging is super cute and adorable. I love it. Their Sugar Rush collection is very, very cute. I actually have another, I think it's a lip balm from them. So yeah. And then the last thing I got in the glam bag that they sent me is from Aiko London Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara in black. So this is a pretty good size, I think, for mascara. You don't really, I have a lot of mascara, so this is pretty nice to, when you go on traveling and stuff, you just get the little sample size. I actually just went on a mini getaway with my husband. He had a cycling competition, and we went, and I literally just grabbed everything from like my IPSY GLAM bags, like all the little sample things, sample deluxe size, and it worked amazing. And it's easy to travel, and it's portable, and it does not like make a lot of space in your bag, so that's nice. Now for the IPSY GLAM Bag Plus. Okay, I'm gonna show you the actual bag, which is like one of those string bags. This is the bag. It's not leather as this one. It's different. It's the same theme. They always have the same theme. But this is like a nylon, cotton type of thing. So as you can see, these are both of the bags. Okay, so now let's check out everything they sent me. Ooh, brushes. You guys know I love brushes. So this is from the brand Farah. And I actually have one of my first eye brushes was from this brand, and I love it. I think I have it in like gold, yellow gold. And this is in like silver. So this is the Beautiful BU Farah. And then there's how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, this is really nice. There are 5 brush pieces right here. So let's open it up so you guys check it out. Oh my god, this is so cool. Like, it doesn't weigh. I thought it was gonna weigh, but it does not weigh anything. And it's a pretty cool like handle. It looks like straws actually. Okay, so this is for, it says it here, yeah, it's the 35E taper blending. Then you have the 205 fly wing. So this is perfect for like, you know, to do the little wings. Then this is the, see if I can show you, this is the 3 mini taper blending, perfect for blending. This is the large shading, okay. And then this one is for the short shading, which is a little like angled, I believe. Yeah, this is really, really nice. I love brushes. And the next thing I have right here is from the brand Trestique. I actually have this, I believe. This is the Goodbyes Mascara, Curler, and Lash Enhancing Mascara. So I'm not gonna, well, let me see if I could just open it to show you the outside without ripping the package. Because I do keep it for like giveaways, future giveaways and stuff. So this is what it looks like. So on this side you have the curler, and then when you open it up is the mascara. So this is pretty nice and useful to have around, especially when you're traveling. Hopefully it's soon. Next thing I have right here, ooh, it's a mini eyeshadow palette. And this is from the brand Viola Boss. I love their eyeshadows. They're very pigmented and easy to work with. And this is the 6-color eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. Let me see if I see the name. I don't see the name here anywhere. Well, let's open her up and then see. I'm actually wearing from the last box they sent me, which was the Huda palette, the Obsessions. I'm wearing it on my eyes right now, and I love it. Okay, so this is, ooh, this is perfect for autumn. These colors are really, really pretty actually. As you can see here, there's, most of them are matte, and then you have only like, okay, so 5 are matte, and then you have 1 shimmer, which is the color Champagne. This is really, really nice now for the holidays. So the next item right here is from Kate Somerville. and she is amazing with skincare products and really expensive. I actually think this is a gift that IPSY sent us creators, influencers. But either way, I think you could get it in the glam bags as well as like on the add-on store. So this is goat milk. It's moisturizing cream. It says conditioner restored, soothes and moisturizes, and it says how to use AM and PM. Apply an even layer to clean skin. And then something else that says here says, growing up with eczema, my mom will put goat's milk in my bath. Use this cream daily to help replenish and nourish skin. So this is amazing because my skin, and it says that it's really good for sensitive skin. My skin is sensitive and it's dry, and sometimes doing too much in the sun, being too much in the sun here in Florida, it gets really hot and my skin gets like a little bit of eczema. So this is amazing that I got this. So I am very happy, and it has like a cute happy face or winky face. Yeah, winky face. And then the packaging is really, really cute and sleek. So I'm super, super excited to give this a try specifically because of my skin condition as well. So the next item, we're almost at the end. Oh, okay. So this is a brush, and see, it's from the brand MOTD, and it's a perfect 10. It says a perfect 10. That's really cute. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Oh, so this is like a brush for like powder or like blush. So that's pretty nice. I like it. The bristles feel nice, and then the handles really pretty, rose gold and black. And the last thing I have right here, which is in a pack of 3. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. Okay, so this is from the brand Farrah as well. It's a matte gloss liquid lip pigment. It says a lipstick lined with the busy modern woman and body. Our liquid lipstick packaging is square shaped, so your lipsticks will stay put when you set them down. No more chasing runaway lipsticks. Be beautiful, be you. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so there's 3 different. Let's see if I can open it without ripping the actual packaging. This is really nice. Okay, so there's 3 right here. Then the first one is the shade Tiffany. Okay, here it is. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. The packaging feels really, really luxurious. I like it. And this is Matte Boss Liquid Lip Pigment from Farrah. And as I say, this color is Tiffany. This is the color. Then the next thing I have, let's open it up. The other color, I think this is, it just says Farrah. So I think that's the actual shade name, Farrah, like the brand. And that's the same brand of the brushes, so that's nice. I didn't know they had, you know, other makeup stuff. And this is the shade, which is like an orangey tone. It's really nice. All of these tones are perfect for now for the holidays, especially like I was saying, Thanksgiving. It's all like brown and orange colors. Let me see. The other one is called Cocoa. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, so yeah, like I was saying, this is like a brown tone. So that's pretty nice. So that's it, guys. That's everything IPSY sent me for this month. So I'm very blessed and excited to receive all of this from IPSY. Thank you very much, IPSY, for sending me this and making me part of your Creators Open Studio. And I'm happy to share with you guys all of these items I received. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If this is the first time watching me and you like my content, please make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get notified about my future uploads. So make sure to check out my Instagram. I'll probably be trying some of these products out in a little mini tutorial, IGTV video, and on my stories. So thanks again for watching me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.